days back, a bright young executive working for a software organization came to me and he sought my advice. His situation was something like this. His current emoluments, that is called CTC in common parlance today, is about 5.4 lakhs, that is 540,000 Indian rupees. Now, he is stationed in Chennai, that is based out of Chennai. He has got an offer from another software company, obviously competitor software company. They are offering him 1 million Indian rupees. Oh my God, fantastic. That means he is going to get an additional compensation of 460,000 rupees. Very attractive, no? This young gentleman sought my advice. Of course, he has made up his mind not to take it because of some other reason. He wants to pursue his higher studies. But something interesting that I told him from a financial angle. It is not big financial planning or anything. It is basic, pure common sense. What is this pure common sense? Now, on paper, when you get 460,000 rupees at such a young age, it's a tremendous advantage to grab that offer. But look at the other implications. Number one, when you get additional salary, there is something called income tax, right? Now, I roughly estimated that additional income tax that you will have to shell out is the order of about 100,000 rupees per annum. Number two, very important, he has to live in a different city. So, he has to shell out additional rent, then he has to shell out for his food expenses and all that. We estimated it will come to about 300,000 rupees. Number three, since he is based out of another city, obviously he has to come and see his parents, he has to attend his friends' weddings or relatives' weddings. So, travel from Bangalore to Chennai and so on and back and forth. We estimated it will be of the order of about 40,000 rupees. Also, he has to shell out a very high rent advance, which will be about approximately, it will work out to about 20,000 rupees. So, if you add up all these things, income tax, additional income tax of 1 lakh rupees, 100,000 rupees, additional rent and food expenses of 300,000 rupees, 400,000 rupees, and about 40,000 of travel expenses and about 20,000 of notional interest on rent payable. All these things adds up to about 460,000 rupees. Plus, there will be some unexpected expenses. Let's estimate that to be maybe about 25,000 rupees or more. What I am trying to say is that he is not definitely well off by taking up another job, because financially he will be worse off by taking that. There are a lot of other angles, because when you live away from your home, no, it is not only the financial reasons. You will miss your family. Sometimes you feel homesick. Of course, today you have technologies like Skype to catch up with your family, but nothing like physical presence, right? So, purely from the financial side also, the offer is not lucrative. Now, there is no big financial planning involved, but people seem to miss out. People seem to miss out few facts. The income tax implication, people somehow don't take into account. Particularly, I wouldn't expect a software engineer to be aware of the additional income tax implication. Even if he knows, he may not know how to work out the amount. Number two, the travel expenses. People somehow feel that they will only incur only additional living expenses. No, they will incur travel expenses also, and definitely they will ignore the notional interest on the rent advance payable to the landlord at another city. So, in all, whenever you get a lucrative offer, whenever I say whenever you as an executive gets a lucrative offer, consult your mentor, financial mentor, before taking a decision, and most of the time you will be right. All the best, have a wonderful career and do very well, and not only improve your family, improve the nation. All the best to you. Thank you.